Hi students, this is your research self-paced guide for a wax museum project. It's important that you understand how to read this document because this is a document that will last you the entire unit. It begins with Unit 0, which we are completing right now, which is where we understand how to read this document, how to use Cornell Notes, and how this is going to work. And it goes all the way down to Lesson 10. When you finish Lesson 10, you will be finished with the unit. So that's exciting. On the left-hand side in this column, you are looking at your lessons. These are the lesson numbers. Anything in red is something that you have to do. So if it says must do, you must complete this task. If you finish this quickly, then you should do what's in yellow, which is the should do. In the next column is the due date, which your teacher will assign to you. Then we have the linked activities, and these are the things that you need to complete to move on to the next lesson. So in Lesson 0, you have this video, you have Cornell Notes, and then in order to graduate, you have a mastery check. This mastery check may be a document that your teacher has in the classroom that you need to get and complete and take to her. Or in some of these, it may be a Google form that you complete the answers and then she checks the Google form and gives you the check mark. The last thing that will happen is you will let your teacher know, either through the mastery check or through the Google form. You will go to Ms. Krautkramer and you will say, I have finished Lesson 0. She will check your mastery check document and she will score you. If she gives you a check mark that looks like this up here, then you are finished. If it's not quite right, she will give you a redo symbol and she will ask you to submit a reflection. And that may require you to do a little extra learning on your own. It may require you to complete more Cornell notes. She may be looking at those and saying, nope, you don't have the Cornell notes done. But then you will resubmit and she will recheck it. Okay, so let's go to Cornell Notes.